Would knowing there are consequences for being convicted of a serious indictable offence, that is the bushfire offence, deter the next arsonist? I'm talking about just the conviction on a person's record, not how many hours of community service or the length of the community corrections order. It's the piece of paper kept somewhere that says you are a convicted arsonist. Sure, you can walk around and you can't tell if someone has a conviction. But now, thanks to the internet, just Google your name and your conviction is there for all to see. Both Adam and David carry this now. They have a criminal history that may impact on opportunities in the future. Maybe it's a fun overseas holiday where at the border you may be refused because you have a criminal history. Or it's a dream job in 10 years' time, but a criminal check is required. Even if there isn't a requirement, a potential employer might Google search you. It's easy to find newspaper stories about people, especially if the story has your full name in the headline. Adam and David both have stories on the internet about them. So the court case might be over, but how long is your name going to be associated with convicted arsonist for? Even if you move, the internet will follow you. So there's a risk you will have a stigma attached to your name. It's known around town about the time you started that bushfire. And I'm assuming during summer when the bushfires are raging, that stigma of being a convicted arsonist could lead to unwanted attention. Could a person, especially a young person, be deterred from doing the bushfire offence if they knew they risked carrying a stigma? We, the community, talking more about what it really means to have a conviction could assist to deter a person. As for the rest of the stigma, well, only a convicted arsonist could talk about that. And this is the part that is not spoken about. But would talking more about the consequences to your day-to-day life before being convicted of a serious indictable offence deter people?